if the roots of the equation 2x squared minus 7x plus 4 is equal to 0 are alpha and beta, we have to form an equation with integral coefficients whose roots are alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2. So the first thing we are going to do, we have to express this equation in the form of a quadratic equation, the standard form. So we know that a quadratic equation is of the form x squared minus sum of roots, that's minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta, and it will give us 0, right? But the quadratic equation they gave us is what? 2x squared minus 7x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now, if you look at the coefficient of x squared here, it is 1. Now, how do we make it to be 1 here? We have to divide everything by the coefficient of x squared here over 2 over 2. Cancel, cancel. So I have x squared minus 7 over 2x plus 4 over 2 will give us 2 is equal to 0. So by mere relation, we've seen that x squared correlates to x squared minus did that to what? Minus. Now alpha plus beta, we have it in place of 7 over 2. For the reason we say that the sum of roots alpha plus beta is equals 7 over 2. We have x plus, then alpha plus beta, we have it in place of 2. So I have the product of the roots is equals what? 2, right? Now they ask us to form another equation with integral coefficients. The coefficients are meant to be integers. With integral coefficients whose roots are alpha plus 2 and what? Beta plus 2. That quadratic equation we are going to form will also be in this order. Now, if it's going to be in this order, now it will be also be in the order x squared minus what? Alpha plus what? Beta x plus alpha what? Beta, and it will be equal to 0. I hope it makes sense. Now, I have the x squared minus, now, this is sum of roots, right? Minus alpha plus beta, right? Now, they told us that one of the roots, whose roots are alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2. Now, the roots of the equation we have to form is alpha plus 2, and the other one is alpha beta plus 2. Now, this in place is place for sum of roots. Now, we are going to add the both roots. So, I have x alpha plus 2 plus beta plus 2 x plus, now alpha beta means one of the root times the other root. That's the product of both roots, right? So I'm going to multiply these two. So I have alpha plus 2 times beta plus what? 2, and it will give us 0. Now it is from here that we get our answer. So I have x squared minus, now 2 plus 2 is 4. That's minus alpha plus beta plus 4 x plus, now open the bracket, alpha times beta would be alpha beta plus alpha times 2 will be 2 alpha plus 2 times beta will be 2 beta plus 2 times 2 will be what? 4 is equals what? 0. So I have x squared minus, now I'm having alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. The sum of roots we got was what? 7 over 2. So minus 7 over 2 plus 4 over 1 x plus alpha beta. Product of roots relate. It is 2. 2 plus, okay, let's not do it. Alpha plus beta, right? That's okay. 2 plus, watch, this 2 alpha plus 2 beta could be seen as, when we factorize, it could be seen as 2 into brackets alpha plus beta plus 4 is equal to 0. We factorize these two. The common factor there is what? 2 plus 4 is equal to what? 0. So I'm having x squared minus 7 over 2 plus 4 over 1 x plus 2 plus 2 into bracket alpha plus beta is what? 7 over 2. 7 over 2 plus 4 is equals what? 0, right? Now, for here, these two will originally what? Cancel these two, right? So I'm having 7 left out there. So I'm having here 2, LCM of 2 and 1 is 2, right? 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7 plus 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is what? 8. I hope you know. So this is x squared minus this x plus 2 plus what? Plus 2 plus 7, yes, plus 4 is equals what? 0. Now let's try to come here. So I'm having x squared minus 7 plus 8 is 15 over 2x plus 2 times 7. 2 plus 7, I mean, is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13, is equal 0. Now, they say that the coefficient should be integers, right? So this is 15 over 2. How do we make it? How do we make it how do we make all the coefficients to be integers? Now, this over 2 here, we have to clear what? Fractions. Clearing fraction, what's the LCM of 1, 2, 1, and 1? So it is 2. We multiply each and every one of them by what? 2, right? So this 2 times s squared is 2s squared minus 2 will cancel 2. So I have minus 15x plus 13 times 2 is what? 26 is equals what? 0. And this is the quadratic equation we formed. I hope it's very simple. Have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Coases Academy. Bye-bye.